Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Tonight we're going to get into some information on showing you how you can learn how to trade currency with just 10 cents with Change and Epic Trading. My name's Tom Swoop, Coach Swoop, and I'm just one of the few people that will be helping you along with this process. So let's go ahead and dive in. We're going to be showing you, like I said before, learning how to trade currency with the foreign currency exchange or foreign currency market, or Forex for short. Yeah, they've been telling us for years to save your hard earned money in the bank or whatever lending institution you use. But what they don't tell you is that they take your money and actually trade it in the foreign currency exchange or market or even the stock exchange. And they just give you a small sliver of what they've been making as far as profit. And what we're going to show you to do is how you can take your money and do this on your own in a short amount of time. I know you guys got questions. Is this real? Do I have to recruit? Do I have to sell? I'm going to answer all of your questions tonight in this presentation. It seems like a lot up front, but honestly, we've got people who started and are doing well within the first couple weeks. Now, right now, you're like, what is going on? But I'm going to break it down for you. So, Epic Trading and Change have partnered up, and we're just one community of many communities that are inside of Epic Trading. Epic Trading is a online resource, educational resource that is, with just a vast wealth of online resources as far as educating a person on learning how to trade currency from the beginner stage all the way up into advanced trader. What we've done is partner with Epic Trading as far as providing additional information and training on a more personal level. It's sort of like Epic Trading is the vehicle and we're the driver, and we're showing people where to go and how to get there. And when I say Epic has a lot, they have a lot. Not only do the online resources, but there's members only Telegram chats and our own members only Telegram chats and signals of how you get these copy and paste trades. And I know a lot of you guys, what is copy and paste, Tom? So copy and pasting is literally just what it is. You're going to copy and paste trades from an expert trader into your trading application, and we're going to show you guys how to do it. Our trader does all of the research, comes up with the entry price and the take profit price, and he sends those numbers to you. You copy and paste them into your application, and boom, you make money. It's very simple. I mean, we have advanced training to show you how you can grow your account over time with just trading 10 cents. We show you how to copy and paste trades into your application from day one. And literally, we have people who are making money who have never done this before whatsoever, and they're making money on day one. This is the wild part. So, like, if you want to go through Epic University and, super exceed educational wise, you can do that. If you just want to copy and paste and just count your profits by yourself, you can do that. You're in the right place for both opportunities. You can be completely stingy with this opportunity. You don't have to share it with anyone. There's no selling, no recruiting. But if you do want to share this with somebody, Epic Trading does have a compensation plan that it's kind of appealing when you look at it. Honestly, it's just another way you can earn while you learn. I'm gonna go ahead and put the information on the screen. It's a voluntary compensation plan, but there's so much info. I can make a whole nother video on this. So reach out to whoever brought you to the table and we can go over that in depth a little later. Like I said before, the compensation plan is totally voluntary. It's not nothing that you're mandated to do. This opportunity, maybe it's not for everybody, but it's kind of one of those situations where if you jump in and put the work in, I'm telling you, you're going to be rewarded within the first 2 to 3 weeks. Some people honestly are making money on day one. Now, right now, you're looking at the screen and you're like, well, how much is this going to cost me, Tom? And I'm going to tell you. So you get access to Epic University, live training, Epic members only Telegram, Epic Signals, and access to the compensation plan. And it's only $134.99. Billed every 28 days. Top of what Epic provides, Change with Change also provides a super personal touch and educational opportunity on a personal level. Our main goal is to make people not feel like they're alone while they're going through this process. That's our main goal. Being a part of our community is totally free once you're a member of Epic. And we try to support, support, support. That's our main goal. I can't say it enough. It's so important who you join with, because there are a lot of people out there who just do a lot of recruiting and they don't support the people that they bring on. And I just want to be completely honest up front. Change with Change, that is not our role. Our role is to support you and make sure that you're ready to join our team and take this thing to the next level.